Hey guys, make sure you stay tuned and we're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Very quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the steering wheel module, fuses, relays are located on Chevy Equinox, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us, we'll explain which fuse you need to check. By the way, we'll talk about hidden fuse boxes as well, information that can save you a lot of money. And by the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out, and you can also see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. So the steering wheel module, fuses, relays, come guys, we'll show you where you can find them. We will demonstrate on this Chevy Equinox, that generation Chevy Equinox. Quick advice, 9 out of 10 owners guys will not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in that Chevy Equinox. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, it's a video that can save you a lot of money guys. Here, coming to the passenger side, open the front right door. When you guys do that, you're going to come to the footwell compartment on the passenger side. Here you see on the side of the center console here, okay, you're going to have one cover. Pull that cover open, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. And here guys, what do we need to check specifically? Let's talk about that. We'll first talk about the fuse, then we'll talk about the relay. Guys, always double check when you're looking at fuse numbers because they're a little bit confusing. They go like that, 1, 2, 3, then they go 4, 5, 6, 7, so they go in a row guys. But now the fuse that you need to check is a very small fuse, and it's known as fuse guys number 1. That fuse right here, that 2 amp fuse, that's the one for the steering wheel module, steering wheel buttons guys. That's the fuse that you need to check. What about relays? You don't have specifically dedicated relay, this is known as a relay fuse, but if you still have problems with it, you may want to check the fuses and the relays for the BCM. This is the body control module, and we will have the video on the channel if you need help with that. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open guys the interior fuse box, we want to show you, you have 2 kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you're stuck, always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share guys the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well guys. So thank you for watching, hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.